Today we're going to restring our Ryobi trimmer. It's probably a lot easier than you think. First thing we're going to do, cut yourself about somewhere between 6 and 8 feet of line, like this. Then notice a couple things on your trimmer. Notice this arrow here. And then if you look around, you'll see that there's a little notch and arrow right here where your string normally comes out. What you want to do is align that notch with this arrow right here. Let's see if we can do that. So we're going to push down this and turn to the right. Upside down action there. So now we've got the hole lined up with the arrows and the tab. You'll notice over here on the other side, same thing. So now we're going to take our string, start feeding it through. You'll see it come out the other side like so. You're going to want to pull it until you have both sides equal. So once you got it in there, hold on to your base. You'll notice it says rewind here. Just hold your base and then twist the top, and you'll actually see that line start feeding in there. And that's really all there is to it. Once you wind the line in, you see that you have two pretty even lines, and wind them just so they're just a little bit longer than your cutting blade over here. Now you're ready to trim. Good luck.